You can definitely increase your credit score with a credit card. I always tell people, if you don't have at least 4 credit cards reporting onto your credit reports, then you guys are not really building your credit and you guys are not going to see a great increase. So one of the things is, when I see people that don't have 4 credit cards, I always tell them at least get 4 credit cards, because that's like the basics, like that's standard. When you guys have that, you guys are going to see a great increase just off of that. So yes, in other cases too, if you guys were to apply for another credit card and you have a lot of credit cards, you're going to see your credit score go down because you didn't necessarily need more credit cards. So you guys can see your credit score go down, but usually with the on-time payments, keeping the balance low, you're going to see your credit score go back up. But if you're starving for credit, you don't have at least 4 credit cards, then you're going to most likely see your credit score go up with these new accounts. Remember, credit is, can you take my money and can you pay it back? And show me the history of you doing this, because I want to give you a certain amount. I want to know what you used to. I want to know if you can take it and give it back. And then what terms did you have previously, so I can see if you can actually, if we can get those same terms, or maybe if I can give you better terms. So remember, if you don't have 4 credit cards, the major thing is to just get 4 credit cards. Start with that first. That's why I tell people, if you're building your credit and your credit is really bad and it's going to be kind of hard to remove those accounts, don't wait. Get some secure credit cards. Let them start reporting, especially the ones that graduate, like Navy Federal and Discover, because when those graduate, you can have regular credit cards and regular credit cards, unsecured credit cards. That's basically, you get your money back. And then on top of that, they're going to continue to report, which is going